Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log out of OneDrive on Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where your system tray is located. This is the area near your clock and volume controls. Look for the OneDrive Cloud icon among the other system icons there. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up your OneDrive window, giving you access to all the settings and options you need. Now, to log out of OneDrive on Windows 10, navigate to the top right corner of the OneDrive window that just appeared. You'll see a gear icon there, which represents the settings menu. Click on this gear icon and a context menu will pop up with several options. From this context menu, locate and click on Settings. This is where you can manage all your OneDrive preferences and account information. After clicking Settings, a Microsoft OneDrive settings window will appear on your screen. This window contains various tabs and options for customizing how OneDrive works on your computer. Take a look at the left side menu of this settings window. You'll see several different sections listed there. Click on Account to access your OneDrive account details and management options. This section shows you which account is currently signed in and gives you control over how OneDrive syncs with your PC. From the Account section, you'll see your current OneDrive account information displayed. Now, to proceed with logging out, look for the Unlink this PC option. This is the key step that will log you out of OneDrive on your Windows 10 computer. Click on Unlink this PC and it will automatically sign you out of OneDrive, stopping all sync activities and removing the connection between your PC and your OneDrive account. This means your files will no longer automatically sync to the cloud from this device, and you'll be fully logged out. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of OneDrive on your Windows 10 PC. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.